Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make money on Webull for beginners easy method. Open a Webull account and fund it before placing trades. Start with a small amount you can afford to lose and learn one strategy at a time. Use the paper trading feature to practice without risk. Focus on low-cost ETFs and high-volume stocks to reduce slippage. Track trades, review mistakes, and adjust your plan regularly for steady improvement. Start with a clear strategy like dollar-cost averaging or simple swing trading using defined entry and exit rules. Set stop losses to protect capital and limit single trade risk. Keep position sizes small relative to your account to avoid big drawdowns. Learn technical indicators slowly and prioritize earnings dates and news. Keep a trading journal to record decisions and emotions. Review weekly and refine rules based on results. Be patient and consistent. In every trade, prioritize risk management to protect your progress and sleep at night. Risk no more than 1 to 2% of your account on a single trade and diversify across sectors. Use limit orders and pre-planned exits instead of impulsive market orders. Avoid excessive margin until you consistently win. Regularly rebalance losing positions and cut winners to follow your rules. Education, patience, and discipline compound into long-term results. Keep records and learn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.